For many years, Linux Mint has stayed near the top of Linux popularity charts. New Linux distributions come and go, but Mint keeps attracting millions of users, especially in the United States. So what makes Linux Mint so popular with Americans? The answer is actually pretty simple. Most people don't want an operating system that feels like a science project. They want something reliable, easy to understand, and ready to use from day one. After talking with Linux users, reading community discussions, and watching the growth of Linux Mint over the years, there are some very clear reasons why so many Americans keep choosing it. Let's go through 10 of the biggest ones. The first reason is that Linux Mint feels familiar. Most Americans have used Windows for most of their lives. When they decide to try Linux, they don't want to spend weeks learning where everything is. Linux Mint makes that transition much easier. You have a Start menu-style launcher, a taskbar at the bottom, system icons in the corner, and a desktop layout that feels natural right away. Instead of fighting the operating system, new users can start getting work done almost immediately. The second reason is that Linux Mint doesn't force change on people. One complaint many users have about modern operating systems is that things keep changing. Menus move, settings move, features disappear, designs get redesigned. With Linux Mint, things stay consistent. When people learn how to use it, that knowledge remains useful for years. Many users appreciate having a system that doesn't constantly reinvent itself. The third reason is performance. Not everyone wants to buy a new computer every few years. Across America, there are millions of older laptops and desktops still sitting on desks and in homes. Many of those systems struggle with newer versions of Windows. Linux Mint is known for running smoothly on older hardware. A computer that feels slow and frustrating under Windows can often feel fast and responsive again after installing Mint. For many people, that alone is enough reason to switch. The fourth reason is that Linux Mint comes ready to use. After installation, most people can start using their computer right away. A web browser is already there. An Office suite is already there. Media playback works. Basic tools are included. Instead of spending hours downloading software just to get started, users can focus on what they actually want to do. The fifth reason is freedom from ads and promotions. Many people are tired of operating systems that constantly suggest products, services, subscriptions, or online accounts. Linux Mint feels refreshingly simple. You open your computer and see your desktop. That's it. No pop-ups asking you to buy something. No pressure to subscribe to extra services. No constant reminders about products you never asked for. A lot of users appreciate that simplicity. The sixth reason is privacy. Privacy has become a much bigger topic in recent years. Many users want more control over their personal information. Linux Mint does not require users to create online accounts before they can use their computer. It doesn't depend on heavy data collection to function. For privacy-conscious users, that creates a level of trust that is increasingly important. The seventh reason is the community. One of the best things about Linux Mint is that you're rarely alone when you have a problem. Need help with Wi-Fi? Someone has probably solved it. Need printer support? Someone has likely written a guide. Need advice for software? There are thousands of discussions available online. The Linux Mint community has earned a reputation for being welcoming to beginners, which makes a huge difference for people trying Linux for the first time. The eighth reason is stability. This might not sound exciting, but stability is one of Mint's biggest strengths. Most users don't care about having the newest feature every week. They care about whether their computer works tomorrow morning. Linux Mint focuses on reliability rather than chasing every new trend. That approach appeals to students, office workers, content creators, and even small businesses. The ninth reason is that it costs nothing. Linux Mint is completely free. There are no activation keys, no subscription plans, no license fees. People can install it on one computer or 10 computers without worrying about additional costs. For students, families, and small business owners, that's a very attractive benefit. And the 10th reason is balance. Some Linux distributions are built mainly for developers. Some focus on extreme customization. Others focus on cutting-edge technology. Linux Mint tries to balance everything. It's easy enough for beginners, powerful enough for experienced users, light enough for older hardware, modern enough for today's software. That balance is one of the biggest reasons why it continues to attract such a wide audience. When you put all these reasons together, it's easy to understand why so many Americans love Linux Mint. It feels familiar, it respects the user, it runs well, it stays out of the way, and most importantly, it lets people use their computer without constantly thinking about the operating system itself. That's really the secret behind Linux Mint's success. It doesn't try to impress people with complicated features or flashy marketing. It simply focuses on making the computer experience easier. And for millions of users across America, that's exactly what they're looking for. If you've used Linux Mint before, let me know whether you agree with these reasons and tell us what keeps bringing you back to Mint. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.